Hi, my name is Erica West, and I'm hoping to take a couple minutes of your time to help you set up your device so you can communicate data to your physician. Your physician has implanted a device that has the capability to transmit on a nightly basis any pertinent information that can be successful with your diagnosis. In order to be most successful with establishing this communication, please place your home monitor on a bedside table or nightstand where you sleep. This device should be within 6 feet of where you sleep and be plugged into a regular wall outlet. Once you plug it into an outlet, an OK light should illuminate and a battery status should appear. It's completely normal if the OK light blinks for a few minutes. It's simply establishing cellular connectivity. In the event you do any traveling that requires an overnight stay or plan to stay in a hospital for any reason, please take your cardio messenger with you. Remember to bring it home and place it back on your nightstand when you return. If a telephone icon appears on your screen, please call your physician's office at your earliest convenience. Your physician may provide you with a remote assistant if he or she feels it may be beneficial to your diagnosis. To use, simply place directly over the top of your device and depress the button for approximately 3 seconds. If the recording is a success, a green light should appear at the top. Use this feature sparingly, as there is a limit to the number of triggered events it can transmit. Last, a permanent ID card should be arriving in the mail in approximately 3 to 4 weeks. Place this in your purse or wallet and plan to take it with you. This card is required for TSA checkpoints and can be helpful in expediting your care if an ER visit is required. Please reach out to your physician with any questions you may have and follow your wound care instructions carefully.